Hey, come on, stop.
This is way you into the cave. Jump. Broke stuff. Probably a snake killed me. And then.
Where'd Josh go?
Hey, guys, come on. Hey, guess what?
What?
If we die, I'm whooping your ass. Good.
Listen, man. Trust me.
You up so bad? Hey, let's go trespass to see if that house is abandoned. It could be ours.
All we gotta do is cross that gate, but we need to find something.
Dude, the gate's not wired.
I know.
Just put it.
But dude, we need something. You don't know what could be up in there. There could be a...
Hey, how am I gonna get back? A man died over here because coyote.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't. Y'all heard that from a bunch of little girls. Look at this, dude. This is ancient. Look at all this.
That's the train. No one lives there. That's
I'm recording this. I need proof that I was here.
the train, Jason.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, videotape me so that I was here. Okay, this is epic. Come on, videotape me. This is epic, guys. We are behind the scenes. We are about to go into Dead Sand. Follow us. All right, we're going to the corner.
Hey, does anybody still got rocks on them?
No.
Let me see that stick. I'm gonna be going in first.
Stick.
Jeremiah. Come on, dude.
And I'm going to go. That's my stick.
Well, Jeremiah, see, here's the thing. I didn't know we were gonna make it this far. And as for you, you could defend yourself if a girl was fighting you.
Oh, that's how we're going home.
They ain't gonna leave without us. Hey, there's horses. Hey, Khalil! Shut up! Khalil! Khalil! Hey, somebody find me a tiny rock.
Oh my god. The train hit the house. The train freaking hit the...
Didn't hit no house, Jeremiah.
It's the train.
Hey, find me a tiny rock. I'm gonna bust that
Look
window.
at that. This is where a train station used to be?
Yeah. Look, there's the train.
Take a picture of it, you retard. Well, let's get in the train.
That's what we're doing.
Hell no. You already know we're gonna drive that. That might be rape people. Might be hobos.
Shh. Wait. Nothing's in there. All right.
Oh, there.
Y'all ready?
I see a horse. Huh, here goes nothing. Right
This
now.
is it.
This is it. I see a horse. We've been waiting for it. Let's go. I'm gonna grab the stick and measure. I shall be the first to conquer it. Found the train.
Shut.
Right there.
There we go. Khalil. Yeah.
It's right here! Oh God, I'm so happy. I've been in nothing. Yo, we found the train, man.
Sight.
We found this train. Let me do it.
We made it. All right, let's do
Let me
this.
see. Let me do videotaping. I'm very good video.
Wait, man, wait. This is my phone, man. I can't let this out of my sight.
That's we don't get on that. And you said it's just wood.
Hey. Hold the. Wait, no.
I got it. Dude, you're really gonna call. The train, man.
What? Look at that.
Look at this, guys. Love. Look at this, bro. We got an accident. Wow.
Why? We going in the trade. Come on, over here.
Get out of there, Jeremiah.
At least you coming with me, shoot.
Huh?
This is it.
Let's go. I got you. Go. Come on, Vic, let me get the videotape. Did this train crash or something? Yes, and they were trying to rebuild it, but it didn't work.
All right, go.
This train
Come on,
crashed.
shoot.
Shh. I'm scared. Finally made it. Go. Videotape up, man, so you can see.
Hey, Khalil! We in it! We in the train. We did it. There's no one in here, trust me. We would have heard something by now.
Be careful, though. If you hear a you run. Run till you
We're in the train.
Cocksucker. Hey, Khalil!
Khalil, did this train crash?
No, but this
This is trespassing. Okay.
right there. No trespassing.
Okay, that. Oh shoot. Let's go.
Go! Get out of here!
Man, I ain't gotta go to jail.
Where does it say no trespassing?
Everywhere. Did you record something?
Yes, I recorded everything.
Dude, just the spirits and stuff. Come on.
Hey, get out of here. Go, run!
What happened?
Josh,
No, I recorded
why
everything.
would an abandoned train with a broken
Hurry the fuck up. I told you guys it's gonna be a trespassing.
Go. Hey, at least we made it. We got to see the train, baby.
Hey, you gonna show mom?
No, this is secret.
Man, we gotta go all through that crap again.
Hey, man, we still made it.
At least we would have done. I'm gonna say, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Dude, you won't get cut.
I'm so happy, and plus we having a party today.
Hey, when we get home, we cleaning up. Look at our shoes.
I know that's all I need to worry about is my shoes. And I don't mind taking my kid out to eat. Dad and them ain't even home. It's only Khalees and them.
Come on. The train lights, where?
That's what they use to signal trains. Alright, come on.
Hey, what?
Okay. If that train didn't crash, what happened?
It's abandoned. What do you think? Guys, shut up, look. Hey, somebody's over there. It's over there. Hey, we gotta find a different way out of here. It's an old dude with a dog. Black. It's an old dude with a dog. Old dude with a dog. Oh, dude, we. Go, just go. Fat, go.
Go, hurry up. Hurry up. My parents got
Come on, go.
It's an older for
Get down, you gotta see us. We're gonna hear call police on us.
Just go.
Get down. Come on, Josh.
Go, Khalil.
Go, dude. Get down.
Let's go, guys.
Go, Khalil.
Get down.
What
Yes!
All right, go, Khalil. Go. Is he looking? No, go. Come on, down.